How to install the wall safe. Attention! To ensure the proper functioning of the electronic lock, we recommend setting new password and confirming that the lock is working correctly before installing the wall safe. Carefully remove the cover from the safe. Take out the key bag and accessory bag. Check the wall safe, vent cover, and two auxiliary templates have no damage to ensure they are functioning properly. Install the wall safe. Attention! This video is applicable to drywall. Adjust if different. Please prepare a marker pen, drywall knife, power drill and screwdriver in advance. Take the back installation auxiliary template and a marker pen. Use the pen to trace the dimensions of the back of the wall safe along the back installation auxiliary template. Use the drywall knife to carefully cut along the marked lines to ensure straight, shallow cuts. Clean up wall debris and smooth the edges. Add support studs if needed. Place the box into the opening to ensure the door can open and close freely. Use the pen inside installation auxiliary template to mark the locations for pre-drilled holes on both the left and right. Make sure to align it with the edges of the drywall. Use the power drill to drill holes at the marked positions. Place the safe back into the opening and use the key, unlock it. Use the screwdriver to tighten the screws into the corresponding holes. Close the door and cover it with the vent cover. Attention! The installation is complete. Please change the password as soon as possible. And make sure not to leave the keys locked inside the wall safe.